Hello friends, welcome back to Kinney's Corner. Today, we are diving into a topic that is not only important but also incredibly empowering: menstrual cups. Yes, we are talking about those little silicone wonders that are changing the game when it comes to managing menstruation. So first thing, for the people who are not familiar with it, let's talk about what menstrual cup actually is. Essentially, it is a reusable alternative to pads and tampons, designed to collect menstrual fluid rather than absorb it. And let me tell you, they are gaining popularities for all the right reasons. So the first question is, why should you consider making the switch to a menstrual cup? Well, let me break it down for you here. First and most important is, they are eco-friendly. Unlike traditional pads and tampons, which end up in landfills, menstrual cups can last for years with proper care, drastically reducing waste. Second point, while the initial investment might be a bit higher, menstrual cups can save you serious cash in long run. Think about it. No more monthly trips to the store for disposable products. Third, most important point is, they are better for your health. Unlike tampons, which can mess with your body's natural pH balance, whereas menstrual cups are made with medical grade silicone and won't cause irritation or dryness. Plus, they are super convenient. Most menstrual cup can be worn up to 12 hours at a time, giving you way more freedom than traditional products. Of course, it won't be fair to just sing the praises of menstrual cups without talking about its some potential drawbacks. So the first disadvantage is for newcomers or for the females who are trying it first time. There is a bit of learning curve. Getting the hang of inserting and removing a menstrual cup can take some practice. But trust me, once you get it down, it is smooth sailing. And let's not forget about cleaning. Unlike pads or tampons, menstrual cups needs to be thoroughly cleaned between usage, which might not be convenient for everyone. Lastly, finding the right fit can be a bit tricky. There are so many different brands and sizes out there. It might take little trial and error to find the perfect cup for you. So one important point I would like to tell you here, I'm telling you this based on my own experience. Whenever you are planning to try this menstrual cup, use it on the second day. Don't use on first day because you will find more dryness and inserting this cup will be very difficult. Once you will get hands on it, you can use it from day one. Here I demonstrate you how you can insert it and how this menstrual cup works.
वैसे मैंने काफ़ी सारे वीडियोस पहले भी बनाए हैं और उसमें मैंने आपको मेंस्ट्रुअल कप से रिलेटेड सारी जानकारी देने की कोशिश की है। ये मेरा तीसरा कप है। लिखा हुआ है कि कितना ml तक ये ब्लड कलेक्ट कर सकता है, तो इसमें है मैक्सिमम इट कैन गो अप टू 25 ml। 25 ml के बाद जब ये भर जाता है और आप खाली नहीं करते, तो यहाँ पे ये जो देख रहे हो छेद, इससे लीकेज होना शुरू हो जाता है। तो इसका मतलब है कि आपको इससे पहले ही इसको खाली करना है। तो अब देखते हैं कि इसको इंसर्ट कैसे करना है। तो मैंने आपको दिखाने के लिए एक बॉटल ली है। इसको आप दो तरह से इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं, एक तो सी बना के ऐसे, या फिर इसको ऐसे भी। ये मेरे से थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगता है, मेरे लिए ये आसान रहता है, जो आपको कंफर्टेबल लगे। ये ऐसे अंदर जाके खुल जाता है अपने आप से, और ये इतनी सी टेल बाहर रहती है तो आपको ज़्यादा डिस्टर्ब भी नहीं होता। इसमें किसी भी तरह का कोई लीकेज नहीं है। अब इसको निकालने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, अपने ये एक अंगुली का, ये एक अंगुली या फिर अंगूठे का साथ देना है और यहाँ पे जगह बनानी है।
Now I know what you are thinking. What age can you start using a menstrual cup? Well, the good news is they can be used by women of all ages once they start menstruing. But if you are on the younger side, it might be a good idea to chat with your doctor first, just to make sure it is the right fit for you. Friends, I have over 8 years of experience using a menstrual cup, and I can assure you that once you start using it, you will never regret it. Whether you are looking to reduce waste, save money, or just have more comfortable period, menstrual cups might just be the answer you have been searching for. So this is all about today's video. As always, if you have any questions or you want to share your own experience with menstrual cups, drop them down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Until next time, stay happy, healthy and empowered. See you soon in the next video.